To fix the Samsung Watch 109 error code. First, understand what it means. The 109 error code is a general error that occurs when there is a problem with the watch's software or hardware. This error can be caused by a variety of factors, including a faulty update, corrupted data, or a hardware malfunction. To troubleshoot the issue, start by restarting your watch. This simple step can often resolve the problem by clearing out any temporary issues. If restarting does not work, try resetting your watch to its default settings. This will erase all data on the watch, so make sure to back up any important information before doing so. Another cause of the 109 error code is a problem with the watch's connection to your phone. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the Galaxy wearable app on your phone to reset the connection. Also, ensure that your watch and phone are properly paired and that Bluetooth is enabled on both devices. If the issue persists, it may be due to a hardware problem. Check the watch's charging port and cable for any damage or debris. Clean out any dirt or dust that may be blocking the port and try charging the watch again. In some cases, the 109 error code may be caused by a faulty software update. Try updating the watch's software to the latest version or rolling back to a previous version if the issue started after an update, to prevent the 109 error code from occurring in the future. Make sure to regularly update your watch's software and keep the Galaxy wearable app up to date on your phone. Also, avoid exposing your watch to extreme temperatures or physical stress, as this can cause hardware damage. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Samsung Watch 109 error code and get your watch working properly again. Remember to always back up your data and be cautious when troubleshooting to avoid causing further damage to your device.